Hi guys, I'm Asif. In this video, I'll tell you about Altai balance. What is Altai balance? What are the ingredients? Should you buy or not? How many bottles you should buy? And many more things you will know in this video. So let's start. So basically, Altai balance is one of the world's first products designed to target blood sugar and control weight using the power of scientifically researched and natural ingredients from around the world. It is backed by the clinical research from NCBI, National Center for Biotechnology Information, and American Diabetes Association, and Frontier in Pharmacology and Nutrients, and open access journal by MDPI. And this is the reason why people facing blood sugar and they are gaining weight. So almost the World Health Organization now reports that 92% of the worldwide population is breathing in air deemed unhealthy. In fact, every corner of Earth is now covered in PM population. It's escapable. What is PM? It is particulate matter or PM. So after this paragraph, they are saying that's why they created Altai balance. Altai balance is unlike anything you have ever tried before. It is one of the only products in the world with a proprietary blend of 19 of the highest quality nutrients and plants that research has shown target and detoxify dangerous particulate matter and in turn support healthy blood sugar levels for both women and men. Powerful clinically researched formula to support healthy blood sugar levels. These are some ingredients of Altai balance. Before moving ingredients, I would like to tell you about the bonuses. Those I will provide with this Altai balance. These are some 6 bonuses. Those will definitely help you to achieve more health success in your life. So I will discuss about all of these in the end of video. So let's back to the review video of Altai balance. So the ingredients are white mulberry, bitter melon, licorice root, alpha lipoic acid, Gymnema sylvester, juniper berries, taurine, banaba. These all are very useful ingredients to control blood sugar level, and these all are 100% natural veggies capsule, non-GMO, easy to swallow, no stimulants, no tolerance forming. So why they manufactured under the highest quality, strict and precise standards. So let's read. Your daily nourishing Altai balance capsule is tested and manufactured with care and love here in the USA in our FDA registered and GMP good manufacturing practice certified facility under the most sterile, strict and precise standards. These are most common standards: FDA registered, GMP, good manufacturing practice, no GMO ingredients, manufacturing in the USA, and money back guarantee, and 100% natural ingredients. and these are limited time special pricing offer. If you buy today, or this is this offer is in whole December. Single price is $297, and with the offer you will get 49 rupees, $49 per bottle. Three bottles price is $117, and in this package you will get $39 per bottle, and six bottles package you will total cost is $204. And if you buy bottle package, six bottle set, per bottle you cost $34. So guys, my English is not very good, so you can understand. So warning, December 2021 stock levels of Altai Balance are limited. Accept your reserved bottles above now before your discount expires. And this is under 100% satisfaction, 180-day money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied, they are saying, then at any time in the next 180 days simply send us back the bottles, opened or unopened, and we will refund every single penny of your investment, no questions asked. So these are some FAQs. Will Altai Balance work for me? Hundreds of thousands of men and women of all ages have enjoyed the incredible power Altai Balance brings to your health. Of course, everyone is different, but as you have seen throughout this presentation, this solution is backed by clinical research. How many bottles of Altai Balance should I order? The scientists who researched these natural ingredients recommends you take Altai Balance for at least 90 to 180 days to ensure you reach your goals and lock in those results. How should I take Altai Balance? For best results, take one capsule with a big glass of water every day. Altai Balance is going to work with your body to naturally adjust you back into a healthy rhythm, and it's going to leave you energized, well rested, and just overall enjoying life again. Is Altai Balance safe? Altai Balance has been taken by thousands of folks with great success. It has natural ingredients and they are extremely high quality, manufactured at an FDA registered state of the art facility using the latest equipment, and then on top of that they are put through additional third party inspections and quality control. Will I be billed again after this? Your order of Altai Balance today is a one time payment with no auto ship subscriptions or hidden charges. We dislike those as much as you do. What if Altai Balance doesn't work for me? We are so confident that Altai Balance works, so every single bottle comes with our personal 180-day 100% money back guarantee. If for any reason you are unsatisfied with your results, you can just return what you have not used for a full, no questions asked refund. So guys, this is limited time offer. If you want to buy, you will get the link in description box where you can directly buy from its official websites. And one more thing I want to tell you, that as in the starting of video we have discussed, I will tell you about bonuses. So these are some 6 most useful bonuses that those will definitely help you. So bonus number 1 is 10 positive steps to attract anything you want in life. As for guys your health, it's very important that you attract right habits, those you are in need of. So please read this book. So the bonus number 2 is 5 reasons why you should start eating plant-based foods today. As per topic, you know how much it's useful. And bonus number 3 is eat more, not less, to lose weight. So guys, if you want to lose your weight, then definitely you must read this book. And the bonus number 4 is hack your sleep, a beginner's guide to enjoying quality sleep. As per Google, 30 to 40% of world population is suffering from quality sleeping. So if you are facing sleeping problem, then definitely you must read this book. Bonus number 5 is increase your immunity, 5 steps to avoid a cold or the flu. After COVID, guys, we all know that immunity is necessary to fight with viruses and flus. And bonus number 6 is stop addictive habits. This is very important topic because if we get any addictive habit, then we have to face a lot of problems physically and mentally too. So guys, if you are satisfied with my review and you are satisfied with LTI balance and you are interested, so you can buy LTI balance through the link from official website. You will get the link in description box. Hope you like the video. Share and comment if you have any suggestion. Thanks for watching my video.